Right, just a quick one as I'm in the hothouse and it is ridiculously warm, very windy outside. I thought I'd have a little break. We're going to look at some supermarket brought plants. Mentioned it when I'd done a bit of a tour in the hothouse a week or so ago. I thought we'll have a look and see a couple of plants that I've brought randomly. Right, so in the hothouse tour I sort of mentioned this Persian shield, and yes, morrisons. They've really sort of stepped up when it comes to the tropical plants. I mean, it doesn't actually tell you what the plant is on the label if it's a tropical plant, so they don't really make good house plants, and they are sort of more summer bedding, if you like, or you probably could overwinter them. I've never tried, it's the first time I've had one, but yeah, so basically I went there the other day and I had another one, and this is what they look like when they're kept indoors. Hardly any purple on them. They need that bright light to really bring out the purple shine on them. But yeah, so I was just chuffed them. I've never seen them before really anywhere in the garden centres around here, so to get one probably about 3 weeks ago and then find another one, I thought why not. And they're all sort of at least 3 plants in the pot. This one's looking rough, but I'm telling you now, they pick up real quick, especially when it's warm. Right, yeah, so there's a couple of nice finds. Say Morrisons supermarket, £4 each, and picked up this as well. I don't know what it is, I'll have to look into it. Sort of really glossy leaf, quite dark, with a sort of pink variegation on it. I don't know if the light is good enough to pick it up, or it's too harsh, but yeah, just something I thought it looked a bit different. Again, £4, a couple of plants in there, we'll give it a go. And I do like my carnivorous plants. I have got a small selection of sarracenia and a little fly trap, which is coming back to life after winter dormancy. And yeah, as you can see, they're sort of starting to flower. That's what I do in spring. But yeah, I thought this is quite a good price again. Morrisons, £4.50 for a nice sarracenia. They do like bright sun, so they really want to be outdoors or on a really well lit windowsill. Obviously with all carnivorous plants, they want rainwater, not tap water. That will kill them pretty quick, and they do have a winter dormancy, regardless of what it says on here. I don't really say much, to be honest. Not in full sun, keep moist. Really I do want full sun, so I'd ignore that, but obviously don't slap them straight into full sun. But yeah, I thought this was quite a nice one with the red vein, and really full pot. £4.50. Normally you see it's about 8-10 quid, so they're sort of roughly half the price you'd normally pay. And they did have some sort of purpurea ones as well, which are true sort of purple ones, but I guess that's some sort of hybrid. Very nice nonetheless. And then this is actually an asda one, indoor fern. So this is one of these bird's nest ferns that potentially get massive, and I've been looking to get a fern for the hothouse. So yeah, reasonable sized plant for £4, and yeah, hopefully that'll get big over the next year or two. So yeah, just a selection. I mean, just a reminder. Really, we've got a couple of Morrisons in my hometown, and you know, whenever I'm out and about, I always just pop in just to see what they got, because they do tend to get deliveries every week, and literally they'll just have 1 or 2 of each plant, so you just have to get there and grab them while they're there. And I will say, don't if you hum and ha and then sort of go back to it a week later, quite often they deteriorate pretty quick. So obviously they've been grown in perfect conditions. They slap them in the supermarket, in a sort of fairly dark, cool supermarket, and they don't do well. They deteriorate pretty quick. So I'll use this Persian Shield as a example. I mean, it looks, for all intents and purposes, like it's sort of dying off, but I know that will, because this other plant here was looking exactly the same when I got it. That'll soon pick up, a week or two. They'll colour up and look really nice. So yeah, don't hang about. If you see them, you know, for the sake of £4, don't hum and ha about it, just grab one, and yeah, save yourself disappointment, because obviously they're going to die in the store, or someone else will buy them. But yeah, just a selection of you know, nice little tropicals, stuff a bit different. And yeah, you never know what you find in the supermarkets nowadays. I will say, in Asda, they had loads of colocaceas, not colocaceas, sorry, alocasias, lots of different types, the dragon scale and the red dragon scale, and all different types, and they're a little bit more pricey. They're £10, but you know, if you're looking for them, I think that's a pretty good price. If you go online, they're considerably more usually. Alright, so we'll leave it there because I'm starting to sweat. It's very hot. I've had the door open for a bit, but to be honest, I want to crank up the heat in here just to get things going. Yeah, we'll leave it there for this video, and we'll catch you on the next one.